How to organize ideas for your Pinterest create account here on your Pinterest application or the Pinterest website. In order to organize ideas, in order to create ideas, you just need to organize a board here on your Pinterest account. So in this video, I'm going to simply show you how you can simply set up or organize your boards. Arrange your boards on your profile in a way that works for you. Sort your boards automatically by ordering them alphabetically or by the last board you saved pins to. To sort the boards automatically, what you have to do is open the Pinterest app on your device, log in to your Pinterest account, tap on the profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen to open your saved tab or profile. Now, tap the boards to see your board here. If you have a Pinterest business account, click the save instead. The last step is tap this arrow option above your boards and select the way you want to sort your boards from A to Z, from custom, from last save to. Will sort your boards to show you most recent save first. Now, sort the boards manually. Open the Pinterest app on your device, tap the profile picture, tap and hold one of your board, and then select this arrow option. Drag and drop your boards into the list to reorder them. Tap the done option to save this. This is how you can exactly do this. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel.